Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market. It pays to be kind to the environment. Investing in one of the best electric lawn mowers is an easy way to make a household chore more energy efficient. Cutting the grass with a quality machine can transform your outdoor area into a lush and inviting space with less grueling yard work for you. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of electric lawn mower on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below. Number 1.
Introducing the new Ego 21-inch self-propelled lawnmower. The first lithium-ion mower with a self-propelled drive system and the torque of gas. An on-demand lever engages the advanced self-propelled system powered by the industry's most advanced 56-volt lithium-ion battery. Adjustable speed control allows you to climb a hill or power through a straightaway at the pace that's best for you. Changing the deck height or handle position is as simple as pressing a lever. Thanks to its advanced engineering, you can cut through thick, long grass without bogging down, delivering a whole new level of power and performance. Headlights and a whisper-quiet motor let you mow at any hour that's convenient. The full 21-inch mower is weather-resistant and backed by a 5-year warranty. The Ego Power Plus lawnmower is part of a system, so the battery can be used with any Ego tool for maximum versatility and value. And when the work is done, Ego's patented handle design folds flat in seconds for easy cleaning and storage. Revolutionize the way you do yard work with the industry's top-rated cordless platform of tools. Ego, power beyond belief.
Number 2.
Let your lawn breathe deeply with the Sunjoe AJ801E Electric Scarifier Plus Lawn Dethatcher. Thatch is a dense mat of roots, stems, bent stalks, and grass clippings that accumulate over time, blocking the flow of water and nutrients to your lawn. Regularly removing thatch is important for maintaining green and healthy grass. Powered by a robust 12-amp motor, Sunjoe rakes an impressive 12.6-inch wide path, while the 8-gallon collection bag catches thatch and detaches easily for quick, convenient disposal. And Sunjoe has 24 spring tines that stay sharp longer for reliable performance. Scarifying your grass at regular intervals cuts roots and encourages growth for a thick, lush lawn. Simply twist the 5-position control knob to adjust the raking depth from minus 0.4 inches below the surface to 0.4 inches above the soil. While ordinary rakes can be tiresome and ineffective, AJ801E starts instantly with the simple push of a button, doing the job in less time with 0 toxic emissions and never a need for a tune-up. So, give your lawn some love and go with Joe. The Sunjoe AJ801E 12-amp Electric Scarifier Plus Lawn Dethatcher. Get equipped.
Number 3.
Introducing the 21-inch 55-pound corded lawnmower from Greenworks Tools. With a powerful 13-amp motor and durable steel 21-inch cutting deck, the mower delivers enough power to cut through the toughest grass. A 3-in-1 feature provides multiple options for grass clippings, from side discharge, rear bagging, and mulching. The 7-position height adjustment offers a range of cutting height, from 1 3/4 inch to 3 3/4 inch for the perfect cut on all types of grass. Wide 10-inch rear wheels and 7-inch front wheels makes for easy and convenient maneuverability over various surfaces. Eliminate the hassle that comes with starting a gas-based mower with a simple and easy-to-use push-start button. After use, conveniently store the mower thanks to the folding handles. Check out more helpful videos at greenworkstools.com or youtube.com/greenworks.
Number 4. Number 5.